Builds. And today we're gonna make the French classic, the Sidecar. Named for that funny little side attachment you used to see on motorcycles back in the day. This drink's origin is claimed by the Ritz Hotel in Paris, and it was said to have been invented around the end of the First World War. This classic was originally made with Cognac, Cointreau, and lemon juice. Simple, yet a wonderful cocktail. So the build for the Sidecar is 2 ounces of Cognac, 1 ounce of Cointreau, 1 ounce of lemon juice. You shake it, you double strain it, you serve it up, and you garnish it with an orange peel. So based on that build, you can tell it's pretty light prep. All we gotta do is cut and juice some lemons. So let's get into the prep work. So the tools you're gonna need for the prep: you're gonna need a cutting board, you're gonna need a knife, you're gonna need a citrus juicer, you're gonna need a mesh basket strainer, and you'll need some containers to juice into and store in. So let's grab our cutting board, let's grab our knife, let's grab our lemons. I always cut my fruit, and then I juice my fruit all at once, just for a quicker process. Alright, lemons are cut, let's grab our container and our citrus juicer. So, as always, grab your citrus juicer, place your lemons rind side up. You're just gonna squeeze. Alright, we have our lemons juiced. Let's grab a container, grab our mesh basket strainer, and we're gonna double strain our citrus juice as always. Pour it through your mesh basket strainer once. See all that pulp it gets out of there. Grab a second container and pour your lemon juice through twice. Citrus is double strained. Let's grab a lid. Grab something like some blue tape so we can label and date. And remember guys, shelf life on your lemon juice is 2 days. Throw it out on the 3rd day. And that's it for our prep today, guys. Let's jump into making some cocktails. So to start, we're gonna need our glassware. We're gonna need our shaker tin. We're also gonna need our jigger. Now, we always start with our cheapest ingredients to our most expensive ingredients. So, 1 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce of Cointreau. So Cointreau is essentially just a sweet orange liqueur. And lastly, we're gonna need our 2 ounces of Cognac. Grab the large side of your shaker, let's ice our shaker tin. Make sure we fill the small side of the shaker tin all the way to the top with ice. Seal it up, and we're gonna shake for 12 seconds. Crack your container. You can grab your hawthorn strainer and your basket strainer. Make sure we double strain this cocktail. Oh yeah. I have an orange. Grab your citrus peeler and get a wide fat peel. Spritz that cocktail, twist it up, place it right down in your cocktail. And you have it, guys, the Sidecar. Let's taste. Wow, super bright, nice acid on it. Subtle sweetness from the Cointreau and that orange note paired with the note of the orange rind on the nose. You know, so this cocktail being so simple, so delicious, so tasty, it's awesome how it is. But what's great about this is you can also take this and play around with it. You could infuse cinnamon into the cognac going into the fall months if you want a different little bit different flavor profile with the cinnamon and the orange and the lemon. Or you could infuse like blackberries into the cognac, or you can infuse rosemary into the Cointreau. There's so many ways we could go about making this cocktail in many different variations. So this is a great kind of blank slate to start with. It's fabulous on its own, and it can be a lot of fun to play around with. So as you hang out with me and you learn all the different infusion processes, you can take those same concepts and apply them here. Have fun with it, man. That'll quench your thirst in the summer heat. Fantastic, man. There you have it, guys, the Sidecar. Guys, I hope you're liking the recipes. Maybe you're making them along with me. Maybe you're writing them down and saving them for a later date. Either way, let me know how you're liking them. And hey, become a regular somewhere, you know? Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. Become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Stay happy, everyone. a quick episode, I think. All right.